Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, I'm going to tell you the specifications for uploading photographs to NEET 2021 online application. So let me start with what are the various specifications given by NEET application for photograph. First, it should be in JPG file format. Okay, the file format should be JPG. Second, the file size should be between 10 kilobytes to 200 kilobytes. This is for both passport size photograph as well as postcard size photograph. The focus needs to be on the face. Okay, you don't worry too much about it. When you are going to the studio, tell the photographer that the focus needs to be on the face. The face should have 80% coverage. Once again, tell the studio photographer that the face should have 80% coverage in the photograph. The ears should be clearly visible. And make sure that you are not wearing mask while the photo is being taken. The photo should be taken with white background. Once again, tell the studio photographer you need the white background. You should not be wearing any cap or goggles unless you are wearing spectacles regularly, then you can wear the spectacles. Polaroid or computer generated photographs are not acceptable. So don't try to take photographs at home. Don't use your mobile phone. Better go to a proper professional studio and take the photograph. This is a very small expense. You are going to write a very, very big competitive exam. Don't try to be saving money on this photograph. Go to the studio, take a proper professional photograph. The photo should have been taken on or after 1st January 2021. So don't try to use photographs which were taken very long ago. Okay, the problem here is in case if the photograph and your face have a lot of differences, then during the NEET exam, there may be a lot of confusion. Okay, there may be a lot of time spent in proving that you are the same person. So try to take the latest photograph as close to the NEET application as possible. Now the second question comes here is, should the photograph be taken with name and date of taking the photograph, or should I take a photograph without the name? Many candidates have this confusion because some places nothing is mentioned about the name. In some places the name is mentioned. If you look at the NEET bulletin, it very clearly states the photograph can be taken preferably indicating name of the candidate and date of taking photo. So take note of this keyword preferably. Okay. In case if you have taken a photograph without the candidate name, that's perfect. No problem. Okay. If you have uploaded, don't worry, there is no issue. But if you have taken a photograph with the candidate name and date of taking photograph, that's also fine. So both are okay. Whichever you have done is okay. Don't need to worry. You don't need to go and take the photograph again. Both are acceptable. Okay, so don't worry. Passport size photograph. Okay, this is how it will be looking like. Of course, the name and date of taking photograph, if it is there is fine. If not, also is okay. Postcard size photograph, the size should be 4 inches by 6 inches. Once again, tell the studio photographer to give you 2 soft copies. 1 copy for the passport size, 1 copy, let him make the size correctly by 4 inches by 6 inches and then give you. Yesterday, someone was asking, can I use the passport size photograph, enlarge it to the postcard size? Don't try to do that because the resolution may not be good. Okay, you may lose some features and the photo may not be clear. Okay, so avoid that. And another advice given by the NEET bulletin is they have asked you to keep at least 6 to 8 passport size photograph and about 4 to 6 postcard size photographs, because you need these photo again during the NEET exam. On the day of NEET exam, they will ask you to bring the photographs. Again, during admission, you need photographs. So what you are going to do, this photograph you are going to use throughout until your completion of admission. Even during registration for counseling, use the same photograph. So one photograph you are going to take and you are going to use it for the entire admission window. Okay, don't try to take different photographs. Okay, there will be some issues. So use the same photograph. I would advise even a 6 to 8 passport size photograph may not be sufficient. Maybe take 20 passport size photograph and keep it. Postcard size photograph, you may not be using it. I don't think you need 4 to 6, maybe 1 or 2, maybe just standby, you can keep it. And most importantly, try to save the soft copy and keep it somewhere. Okay, you can send an email to yourself or somewhere, right? Try to keep it so that even in case if you don't have the hard copy of the photographs, you can still print from your soft copy. So that's it. Those are the details I wanted to share about the photograph that's going to be uploaded in your NEET application. If you have any doubts about the photograph, please leave your queries in the comments below. I will try to address them as quickly as possible. Thank you very much. I see you soon in some other video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.